I was just trying to read some news articles. It was so heartwarming when I was reading about that there is shortage of organs because of COVID pandemic. There were hundreds and hundreds of patients every day going to the hospitals. Those are waiting for 5 years, 7 years for an organ donor. Kidney transplantation, heart transplantation, liver transplantation. They're eagerly waiting. Who is the donor? When can I get an organ? When can I be operated? It was so heartwarming for me when I read that. I felt very sorry. There is not even 10 or 20 patients who are getting the organ transplantation because of this COVID pandemic. So I was reading and I was feeling very difficult and sad about this very bad news where the whole world is suffering. Then suddenly my tab was giving a notification, some tring tring sounds. Suddenly 4 or 5 messages popped up. I looked at, and the minute I looked at that message, it was hair donation. I was thinking of organ donation, but the message popped as hair donation. I leaped with a lot of happiness. I jumped with joy. Oh, in the sad days, what a wonderful, happy news that donating a hair. My dear students, parents, teachers, and all the well-wishers, welcome back to another video. Definitely this video is going to change our mind towards donation, the word donation. Always we think donation is only some monetary finances, donation of food, donation of clothes. My dear young girls, my dear women, my dear ladies, some of the boys who grow their hair, a good news for all of us. Because of this pandemic, many people not even able to donate blood as the virus. That's why it is a pandemic. But a good news for all the people who have the heart of donating something. And today, the donation of hair to the cancer patients. Wow. It really gave me happiness. My student, Shrestha Kriti, 4.5-year-old girl, she's a Bachelor of Engineering in Biotechnology. When she was young, freshly graduated as a biotechnologist, she worked with cancer patients. She worked very closely with the cancer patients, and she has seen the plight and agony and pain when a cancer patient undergo the treatment. So that day she decided that she'll do a bit to such agonizing patients who are undergoing treatments, chemos, surgeries, because the high drugs give them so many side effects. As we know, the cancer cells multiply so fast, and the drug which is used in the chemotherapy definitely affect the hair loss. You might have come across, and cancer is a very dangerous disease. Many people are suffering with that. So Shrestha Kriti of UKG St. John's English Medium School, during this pandemic, she has given off her 14-inch long hair to one of the hair donation organizations in Mumbai, India. She got a certificate. She has donated so that organizations can make beautiful wigs for cancer patients. We know cancer patients, when they undergo years of chemos, years of fighting with the disease strongly, psychologically, emotionally, they are very low. We need to bring a smile back on their beautiful faces by doing our bit, by donating our hair. I'm going to present Sreshta Kriti, UKG, St. John's English Medium School, who donated her 14-inch long hair to Mumbai Hair Donation Organization. I want to present her pictures and her beautiful voice. What did she speak and what is that she is interested in giving her hair? Let us see.
Hi everyone, I am Tetakin UKG Tenant English Medium. I want to put a smile on the faces of cancer patients by donating my hair. Thank you.
How beautiful. What a mind for this young, beautiful girl. Sreshta, all my appreciation for you. And Sreshta's mother, Alekhya, Miss Alekhya, all my appreciation for you. Hats off for your wonderful thought during this pandemic. You are a waymaker. Sreshta is trying her best to speak clearly, and she's training herself to speak clearly. Let us all think about this beautiful girl who has donated her beautiful long hair to put a smile back on the faces of cancer patients. A big hand clap. We have 4 wonderful organizations working in India, taking the hair. Many people think they always put up one stepwise how to send the hair so that your hair will be used for someone during their chemos as wigs. A minimum of 12 to 14-inch length is a must. Otherwise, they won't use our hair in making those beautiful wigs. A minimum of 12 to 14 and 20-25 inches. Always good. There is one organization I would like to just read out a few things. Hair Crown Chennai, one beautiful organization. Cope with Cancer Mumbai. Our Sreshta Kriti has donated her hair to Cope with Cancer Mumbai. Her certificate also is displayed. Sargakshetra Cultural Center, Kottayam, Kerala. And For You Trust, Kannur, Kerala. These 4 I'm going to leave in the description. I want all my students, parents, teachers, well-wishers, and all the St. John's community, think of this great deed. From our childhood till now, we grow our hair so nicely. Once in a while, twice in the lifetime, or thrice, if we can give this hair, we can bring smile back. We can emotionally make them strong. Psychologically, we can boost their spirit by donating our hair. Within 3 to 4 months, we get back our hair, is it not? We are not losing anything by donating our hair. And our hair should be a minimum of 14 inches. And before you could donate your hair, nicely wash your hair. Put a nice rubber band, make a ponytail maybe 2 plaits, or you can have a one put a ponytail. Make sure your mother or father help in measuring your hair and cutting your hair there. Put a nice Ziploc bag that pack what you have, the polythene covers. Nicely use a good pack to courier to these 4 hair donating organizations in India. Some of them freely they distribute wigs to cancer patients. In Kottayam, Kerala, which is run by fathers, they freely donate wigs to cancer patients. What a wonderful thought during this pandemic. It's not just we are donating something, it is we are donating hair to bring happiness in the life of some of the patients, few of the patients. I want all of you to think about this. I want all my community, St. John's community, and everyone who are watching this video, think about this great, wonderful gesture which completely change our mindset. This weekend I want to bring this happy news to all of the people who are thinking of what better thing can I do? What is that I can do? This hair donation we all can do. You may think if I cut off my hair, if I lose my hair, my friends may laugh at me, my colleagues may laugh at me, my family members may bully it, or someone on the road may look and laugh at me. My dear students, my dear teachers, my dear parents, my dear ladies over there, my dear friends, we do have bullies everywhere. Is there any place you find no bully at all in our life? Ignore. Don't bother about such people. Let us do our bit. Let us start thinking of donating hair to these wonderful organizations to make these wigs for cancer patients. I thank Shrestha Kriti for giving us a thought, definitely a thought-provoking task during this pandemic to think of this great deed, donating hair. Be blessed. Have a nice day.